Senator Sakaja's case has brought forward or has brought out clearly that there is still greatness in our nation. That a senator is human, he can make mistakes, he can make errors and so on, but he has gone further and admitted that he made a mistake and apologized to the entire nation. Let our leaders borrow a leaf from him and try to see that we build a society in which people can rely on their leaders. They can know that their leaders are human, and when they go wrong, they will admit that they have gone wrong.